Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving straight into how to track software bugs and fixes using Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. Our first step is to create a project in Todoist. Navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the plus icon next to Projects. Name this new project something like Bug Tracking. We do this because having a dedicated project for bug tracking helps keep your workflow organized and focused. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks representing each bug we need to fix. Click on the plus icon at the top right, write a brief description of the bug, and then press Enter. Repeat this for every bug you need to track. The reason we do this is to maintain a clear list of issues that need attention, making it easier to prioritize and assign tasks. Next up, let's assign due dates to these tasks. Click on a task, then select the Schedule option. Set the due date for when you expect the bug to be fixed. This helps us because deadlines create a sense of urgency and help us track our progress towards bug resolution. Now, what about when a bug is fixed? Well, simply click on the task and then hit the Complete Task button. This will strike the task off your list, indicating that the bug has been resolved. The reason we do this is to keep our list clean and up to date, but don't worry, completed tasks aren't deleted, they're just hidden by default. If you ever need to review your completed tasks, go to the View option at the top of your project and select Show Completed Tasks. This will allow you to see all the bugs you've squashed, giving you a sense of accomplishment and a reference for any recurring issues. And that's it, folks. A quick, efficient way to track software bugs and fixes using Todoist. Remember, the key is in staying organized and keeping your task list up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.